Hi everyone. So following a time of unprecedented change, also in our industry, it is important that our nail technicians return to work with confidence, knowing what they can expect from their products, especially when new products have brought change. To be successful, we need to be smart enough to adapt to new ways. So the new way of applying the base gels as a flat layer, which means from now on we will be referring to this gripping and smooth layer as the flat base application, and cure after that. Instead of building on top of an uncured base layer, we will cure the base layer and then do our building. A much easier way to achieve good application, good curing, good adhesion, and a flawless finish. Let's have a look at the step-by-step application. Start the application with a gripping foundation technique, which is not really a standalone layer, but more of an action where a minuscule amount of product is pressed into the nail plate to create a better grip or bond between the product and the nail surface. The smooth layer covers the uneven lines caused by the gripping foundation technique and completes the flat base layer application. This will give an even coverage around the cuticles and stress area. The time of uncured product on the nail should always be kept at a minimum. Beginners should do only one nail at a time. Experienced nail technicians work much faster, but must never do more than 2 nails before curing. The flat layer is cured before building the strengthening layer so that the neatly applied stress area and cuticle outline of the smooth layer remains perfectly intact while the strengthening upper arch is being built. Building on a cured flat layer provides more control to create a neat and precise upper arch, focusing mostly on zone 2. Remember to cure the thumb facing upwards. The amount of product used differs, not only from one client to the next, but also because of different nail shapes. Too much product can result in undercuring with raw product remaining active, which may sensitize the finger or trigger an allergic reaction over time. The hairline difference between how much is too much and how thin is thin enough, or the difference between 30 and 60-second cure, may not be substantial, but it may be the difference between totally cured and partially cured product. It is essential that all layers, especially the underlying base layer, is thoroughly cured. This is the reason for curing the flat base layer independently, followed by curing a separate building or upper arch layer. Curing after the smooth layer also defines the divide between a 4-layer and a 5-layer overlay. With a 4-layer overlay, we will continue with color after curing the flat layer. With a 5-layer overlay, we will continue with a strengthening upper arch layer after curing the smooth layer. The choice of base gel used on the natural nail may differ from the gel used to build with. This switch over of product also happens after curing the smooth layer. Following this simplified method of good preparation, precision application and sensible curing will result in a flawless overall finish that will ensure well cured, neatly applied, long wear nails every time.